344 Bankside. No wood to maintain around this garage door. Desert landscaping. This is the entrance to the community over there, and a community area right on the other side of that red Suburban. Little lamp posts throughout. Okay, let's head in. Tile at the entry. And there's a very strong cat pee smell. So, we'll see what Jenny says about these two. Probably replace them with either plantation shutters, since we already have them, throughout, or do the usual faux wood blinds. In fine condition. Flooring is in fine condition, from what I've seen. Of course, you just saw that there was a light burnt out, so we always include one silver as a line item in a rehab quote and a miscellaneous pad, because items come up that are unpredictable. Though the predicted things will come up, like burnt out lights and sliding doors, for example. A little bit of wear on the cabinets. Okay, the paint is not in good condition over here. I think Jenny would suggest a repaint, but honestly, I think this carpet needs to be torn up, and we need to paint with Kills because the cat odor is extremely strong. Doesn't mean that this property won't work out necessarily. So you have a double door room with a closet right off the front. I'm sorry, right off the stairs. In a large room with plantation shutters and upgraded light fixture. These cabinets show a little bit of wear. This flooring doesn't feel like it was installed correctly, so Jenny would probably suggest pulling it up and installing tile. It's about $5 a square foot. Obviously, it's a small area, so it's not an overwhelming expense necessarily. The vinyl looks like it should be replaced. Okay, so that's the house.